guys, this is Divya, and today I'm going to show how I do my lips. Like, first, I've also uploaded a video like how do I apply lipstick, and this is another kind of application of lipstick which I do mostly like when I feel like to experiment or do something different. So, it's kind of a mixture of everything. Like, I take two this pencil lip liner. It's kind of in pencil form, and then after that I apply the lipstick, and there are mixtures of shades which I do so that it could create an effect of that ombre look. So let's see how I'm doing it. So first I'll take the first shade is Edge of Desire lip liner. It's from Mars, and it has a very nude shade to it. And what I do is like I just like overline the lines, the outline of the lips, so that it should form a shade and the lips looks little fuller. So I it's kind of the shade is a very nude shade, and it matches my natural lip color, so it goes really well. Like, even if you haven't put anything in your face, just apply this lip liner and some lip balm, you're ready to go. Because if your lips look little vibrant, then overall your facial appearance, it changes automatically. So I'll take it and do it, overline it. It's done mostly. Then I'll apply another lip liner which is from Swiss Beauty, and the shade is bold. It is in a darker shade, dark brownish shade. So if you give now the shade of this in the previous lip liner shade, so it will look more natural. So and always in the cupid bow, make a cross, like it makes a natural bow. So I'll do that. And then I'm going to apply, it's a very old lipstick actually, it's about to get finished, and the shade is brick brown, and I'll just take it and apply it. It's a very natural, like it flushes your look, your complexion also. So it's kind of my go-to lipstick or lip shade which I use, and it's it. At last, I'll apply a shade which is known as Espresso Martini. It is also from Maybelline, and I'll apply it in the mid part, little bit, just to give a last touch. Like, it should not look over, and you will get a natural finish to it. And it's done. So yeah, even if I haven't applied anything in my face, with this shade, it looks so nice, and I swear by it. Even if I'm having a bad day, I'm not in my proper attire, just apply this lipstick and you're good to go. So please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, and love you. It has been a long time since I've uploaded my videos. Give some love. I'll be consistent while uploading now videos. So bye, good night.